It's really hot in London right now. Everyone's eating ice cream, everyone's wearing sun cream, and there's a lot of sweaty people on the tube. But here's a fun fact. Sweating is actually pretty rare in the animal kingdom. Most animals regulate their temperature in different ways, except for one animal that's weirdly similar to us, hippos. Like humans, hippos have fragile skin. It's nearly hairless and it makes them vulnerable to sunburn, to dehydration, and to infection. So how do they protect themselves? Well, they sweat, kind of. It's not technically sweat. Hippos secrete a red-orange fluid, which is thick, from subdermal glands. These aren't sweat glands, and it doesn't evaporate to cool the body like human sweat does. And this secretion has been called blood sweat, not because it contains blood, although it was originally thought to, because it looks so red, and this sweat is a lot thicker than human sweat. In 2004, scientists isolated and studied this blood sweat. They used advanced techniques like gel filtration chromatography, which separates molecules by size, and ion exchange chromatography to separate them by charge. And they discovered two entirely new compounds. And these two compounds were hipposudoric acid, which was the red colour, and norhipposudoric acid, which was the orange colour. And they found that these two pigments absorb UV radiation. They act like a natural sun cream. They also have antimicrobial properties, so they're protecting the skin against infection, and they're chemically stable, which is important because the hippo's skin is alkaline. And they act as a moisturizer and kind of water repellent, so they prevent the skin from drying out or becoming waterlogged. And that explains how hippos can spend more than 12 hours a day under the sun and in bacteria-filled water without getting sunburned or without getting skin disease. They've basically evolved their own sunblock, an antiseptic and hydrating cream all in one. And they've evolved behavioural adaptations to complement it. So during the day, they stay submerged in the water to reduce the amount of sun they're getting on their skin, and they come out and feed at night. So while it might look like a hippo is sweating blood, what you're actually seeing is a really sophisticated biochemical defense system.